again to another unboxing video here at Goku Saiyan Rose. Alright, welcome back. It's been quite some time, right?
Yeah.
Yes, it took us so many months to do another video because you have school. Kaburet, sir. Okay, but now you have vacation, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so today we are going to unbox another powerful villain in the Dragon Ball Z universe. Actually, they are two powerful villains. They are, who's that guy?
Cell.
That's Cell, his first form. Okay, from the Dragon Ball versus Omnibus Ultra. This is the series that they released, the first Cell. And also, please hold this one. I would like to show to you the biggest bad boy in the universe. Alright, he is Majin Buu.
Alright.
Alright, we have the Majin Buu. Look at that, Aaron. So big. Ha ha ha. So big. Look at that. What? It's almost how. Let's get this ruler, and it's about, the box is about 12 inches by 7 inches by, I think it's 14. Alright guys, so look at this, guys. Show that. Okay, later we'll show that. So please put that aside. Okay, so hold that. It's so heavy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so heavy. I don't think you can lift it for so long. But again, Aaron, come here. There we go. So this is Majin Buu, of course. This is the version, the Dragon Ball versus Omnibus Ultra. Okay, but we are going to feature these two figures today, and they are first figure, first form Cell, and also this Majin Buu, this big boy. All right, see guys, look at that. Okay, we will show you the 360 view later. Okay, so. But before that, again, Aaron, what are we going to do? The featured figures. Alright, but before the featured figures, we forgot one thing. Shout out time, shout outs. And here are the shout outs.
Shout out to Mia Fix, Unsa Playground, Goku Science, Kaplamo Art, Rain Toys Collection, June BT, Lala MD, Family and Friends,
Yeah.
Mia Vincent,
We have been
Boots,
Boss
Boss
B.
Tita Grace, Mommy Bona,
And Mommy Bona. Okay, shout out to you guys. Hope you like this episode. And after that, Aaron, what are we going to feature? Of
Featured
course,
figures.
the featured figures. Alright, these featured figures are works and collaboration of Sir Jun BT and who else? Of course, Rain Toys Collection, Ronel Liwanag. Oh, okay, Ronel Liwanag, ito na. We are going to feature your works and Sir Jun BT's works also. Okay, first we would like to show you our clear-rise version of the Grandista, okay, series. These are my first Grandista clear-rise version. Gohan, Super Saiyan, and Super Saiyan Blue, Vegeta, of course. I customized this Vegeta actually, and the one who picked this one is Lala MD. Thank you for that, Lala MD. Shout out to you again. Of course, you can see that again, this is from the Grandista. What do you call this? Grandista Vegeta. Okay, but here is his head, the clear-rise version, and also the Grandista. What do you call this, Aaron? The Grandista Gohan. Okay. Of course, we could light it up, di ba? Of course. That's the best thing about the clear-rise hair version. Alright. Yeah, oh, look at that, sir. It's lighting up, oh. Alright. Really, I love it. No? This is a very good figure, so to speak. Alright, look at this. And we have also, I forgot, we have the Super Saiyan Vegeta. So we have the Super Saiyan Vegeta Blue, Goku Gohan, Super Saiyan, and also Vegeta Super Saiyan Clear Rise. Okay, if you like this one, guys, hit me up because I think I have several pieces for sale of this particular head. Actually, it's just head, no? We just produced this one. Alright, this one, we produced this one. And all you have to do is you color this one, okay? The head, okay? And then, voila! You will have a clearized version of the Grandista Gohan. Also, the Super Saiyan Blue. See? Just the head. The Super Saiyan Blue Vegeta. And also, the Super Saiyan Vegeta. Okay. Actually, please hold this one, Aran. Alright, look at that. Oh, see? Si Ronel Luanag ang nag-paint po ng face niyan. So, ang ganda-ganda. Again, galing. If you want, guys, again, plugging Sir Ronel Luanag of Brain Toys Collection. If you want to have your figures painted and would like to be painted very good, no? At magandang kalabasan, please do hit him up at FB and Instagram. Nandun po siya. You can see siya po ang gumawa niyan. And also, another featured figure, Aaron. Ano yun? Meron tayo?
Android.
The Androids! Ito talaga paborito ko, sir. Look at this, sir. Sino to? Android 17 and 18. Look at that. No, I don't have clear sa Aaron. Look at that. Okay, this is the tournament of power version. Alright, ang ganda, no? It's 18 from the very standard 18. Okay. Si Sir Jun po, again, shout out to Sir Jun for a very nice work. No? Siya po yung nag-customize nitong dalawang to from standard 18 and 17. Okay, Masterlise version. Okay, of the Ichiban Kuji. But, again, nakita nyo po, first time ako nakita na para talagang ang ganda ng pagkaka-customize po, sir. No? Ang nagkulay naman, again, is si Ronel Luanag, no? Si Sir Ronel. Talaga sa mga top painter natin yan, si Sir Ronel Luanag. Ang galing, no? Kuwang-kuwa niya, lalo na to. No? Si Sir Android 17. No? Siya yung nagpanalo ng Tournament of Power, guys. Look at that. And also Android 18, no? Naka-jacket siya ng pink, oh. Galing, oh. Paano niya ginawa? Again, guys, good job, Sir Ronel and June BT. Wow! Ganda ba, Ron?
Ganda.
Ganda, grabe. Look at that, guys. And now, we are going to proceed to our
Loot.
loot time. Loots. This is the first loot that we're going to show. Again, before we do that, again, thank you Uniqlo for this wonderful shirt. Okay, baka naman, sponsor nyo kami. Actually, we would like to show you this Uniqlo sticker. Alright, no? It's not for sale. These are the Uniqlo sticker that you will get together with the shirt, no? So you will have this one. Okay, it's a Bulma, no? It's a Bulma riding his motorcycle with Goku. It's very, nostalgia, no? Classic na classic to, sir. Diba? Ito yung mga Dragon Ball, yung sinaunang Dragon Ball, sir. Diba? Kasama ito sa free stickers, alright? With this shirt. And I have the Gohan and Goku on a motorcycle with Bulma on the car. Okay? And Aaron has Frieza and Goku. Wow! Ang nakalagay dyan, Dragon Ball. So, ang ganda-ganda po nila. At ako ay naka double XL. No? At ang sarap-sarap sa pakiramdam. Ganda yung quality ng shirt and it costs about 790 pesos. Alright? I think Uniqlo has still this for sale. No? Kaya sa mga Dragon Ball collectors, guys, padala po kayo yung Uniqlo. At Uniqlo, baka naman. Alright, baka naman kami may sponsor. Ito sa Goku Scene Rose, right, Aaron? May sponsor man tayo. Padala tayo na Uniqlo t-shirt, Dragon Balls. Alright. So guys, without further ado, now we're going to open this loot. No? These are the cups that comes with the Omnibus Ultra set. That is the Majin Buu and also the Cell First Form. Okay, kasama po siya doon. Look at that, guys. It has 4 variants. I don't know what.
Majin Buu.
Yeah.
Majin.
So, pakita mo sa kanila.
Majin, Red Ribbon,
The red-
Goku, and Capsule Corp.
Pakita mo sa kanila. Hindi nila makita. So, at the top of the cup, you can see there's the symbol for the blue one is the Capsule Corp. While the orange one, I think you can see it clearly. It's Goku's kanji and Majin Buu's kanji on the purple, and of course the famous, hope you can see this guys, the red ribbon logo at the red cup. So we have two of this, so we're going to open it now and let's see what is our cup to be. Here, Aaron, this one is for you, and this one is mine. Oh, you have the
Red Ribbon.
red ribbon, and I have the, oh, of course, the Capsule Corp. Bring it, put it back here. Okay, ang ganda ng cup na to, sir. Sulit, oh, pang kape. Oh, so meron na kaming cup ni Aaron. Okay, yes, the ribbon, and I have the Capsule Corp. Oh, the Capsule Corp. Oh, look at that, guys. And Aaron, cheers. Alright, sip, sip, sip. Okay, now, what are we going to do, Aaron? After this loot time,
Unboxing.
we are going to unbox now. Yeah! We are going to unbox first the small one because it's best to unbox the small one, no, rather than the big one first. Okay, so we're going to unbox. So take out the tape, the first tape, the second, and of course, the third tape. There's always 3 tapes in the boxes. Alright. Alright. So again, they have the, what do you call this? Clamshells. The box. Okay, the clamshells here. This is what it looks like inside. If you open it, there's the figure.
Plastic.
No? So you just pull it out. Here, Aaron. So it has how many partition, Aaron?
3, 4.
Okay, yun is 4 partition. Spread it out. Actually, it has 2 plastics, Aaron. Look at that. The first plastic contains of the stand, 4 partition also. The stand and the tail stand. Tail stand. I don't know. There. So again. And also the tail here. Okay. So you can see. No? And that one is, pakita mo nga, Aaron, show them. First is the upper body cell.
2
Then,
wings.
the lower body and the 2 wings. So, apat-apat yung partition na makikita nyo sa loob ng box na yun. Okay? Okay, so now we're going to what?
Cut.
To open them up. Cut them up. Para makita talaga natin kung ano. Alright. So, again, it's time to open this baby up. Alright. Ito na muna, Aaron. Please hold this one. Okay. So,
Clamshells.
talaga matusok ko, kaya nilagyan pa nila ng ano. Here, they have this
Clamshells.
clamshells sa loob ng clamshells. Okay, so babalik ko to. Oops, be careful, Aaron. Matusok ka, ha? Alright. And this one is the stand of the tail. Okay, the stand of the tail has 2 parts. The first part is this Y type. Okay, looks like a Y. And also the base of that particular stand. Alright, it has the base. Look at the baser here. And last is the stand para sa paa ni Cell. Alright, so that Cell could stand up. Alright, alright. So let's put this back, this baby back. Alright. So ganyan yan, dahan-dahan, baka mag-brag. Okay, tama yung ginawa mo, Aaron. Then later, we will put this, guys, there. Okay, so later na yan. Put it. Yeah. Hawakan mo lang yan. Alright. And then, please hold this one while I cut open. Alright. The first part of Cell, the upper body. Ganda, sir. Oh, look at that, sir. So yes, this trademark B-shaped head. All right, with a black central forehead, of course, and the signature mouth and the eyes. Look at that. It's very thin because it's not yet fully eaten.
There's
18.
orange.
Yeah, there's orange. Eaten 17 and of course 18. So this cell is just a premature super cell. But later we will know that he will become perfect cell. And actually last time, Aaron, you remember we opened unboxing perfect cell.
Yes.
Yes. And this is his first form. Okay. So in this feet. So this is the lower body. So I'll form the head. Okay. Okay, show them, Aaron. Show them. Oh, look at that, guys. Ang ganda. No? Even though
This feet
it's...
looks like Frieza's.
Yeah, it looks like Frieza's feet, actually. No? It's patterned to like Frieza. Here, Aaron, please hold this one. And also this one. I think, yeah, the wings should be put together that way. I'll set this aside first so that we could have a very clean workplace. Alright. Yes. So, thank you, Box, for keeping the figures intact. So, what do you have there, Aaron?
Cell.
Cell. Oh, you put already the
The tail.
tail. Okay. Ang haba
Wings.
po ng tail niya. And also the wings. We will put the wings. So, this part.
Here.
Is it there, sir? No. I think this one goes here. See? And this one goes right about here. Alright, ang ganda nito, sir. Look at that. Wow. Actually, it looks kinda not that very appealing in the video or the photo, but actually it looks quite so good in person, right?
Yeah.
Ganda ng pagkakagawa nila, right? No, you don't put that there, Aaron. It's not that. I think this one. Here, Aaron. This is the stand, okay? So you put it there. And also, you put the...
Tail
Alright.
stand, na tail stand.
The tail stand, look at guys, here. So you can see the tail stand, the stand. So later, we will show you naman the 360 view. So you don't have to cram. Alright? But look at that, there's a stand and here cell. Oh, ganda, oh, ganda, Aaron.
Oh.
Oh, looks very nice. So I think it's a winner, you know? And I don't think he can eat 18 anymore because 18 is too powerful and also 17 is too powerful for him. Okay, he will be turned to barbecue if he does eat. Okay, the two. Anyways, we are going to unbox the another one.
Boo.
Of course, this is the best one ever. Boo.
Last
So
time
please,
we were talking about Boo.
yeah,
When
actually,
he was not delivered yet.
yeah. I said it's so.
We were waiting for Boo.
We were waiting for so long, and again, this is an Ichiban Koji, and this Boo is a very amazing Boo, and it costs a lot, Aaron, right now.
How much?
It's about 10,000. They're selling it for 10,000, I think, for this guy, which is it's amazing.
It's big.
Yeah, we have already.
It's bigger than this.
Yeah, we have a smaller Boo in our glass cup, but this one
It's like
is
this.
bigger. Is really Boo, of course. Here we are. We're going to take out the tapes first at the back. All right, and another one. All right. Alrighty then. Here we are. We're going to unbox Boo. Look at me, sir. Wow, it looks like a box of Broly. Again,
There's
it has a
clamshells.
clamshells, you know, a clear one, the clear clamshells. So we're going to take him out. I think you should take the box, put it there. Okay, so let's take out the box and set it aside first. So this is the raw, when raw featured when we pull the Boo figure out of the box. It will look like this. Come on, sir.
This
Wow,
is the biggest
the
Boo
Boo
we
is
got.
really heavy.
This is the
And
biggest
yes,
Boo
a
we got.
very heavy. Show them, Aaron.
The stand is
The
so big.
stand is so big compared to the stand of the Grandista. Look, it dwarfed the Grandista stand. What the F? What the Fighter Z moment. Okay, so here it is. The big daddy of them all. Boo. I should have wow! Guys, this looks like a small baby Aaron. It looks like a small baby. Put it back. Grabe, sir. Look. Oh, wow. Wow.
The antenna.
Wow, the antennas. Look at that, sir. What? Oh, and he's smiling. All
The
right.
ears.
The ears. I love it. Grabe.
His
more
gloves
than-
are so big.
Few inches. 5-6 inches. What? Again, Aaron, can you hold this one, please? And I don't think... Is it heavy?
Yeah.
It's very heavy, Aaron.
Yes.
Alright.
It's more heavy than the perfect cell.
Yeah, it's very heavy. So we have the cell one. Okay, the first part. And show them the Majin Buu. Alright, Aaron. Even the cape, oh. Look, show them the cape. Alright, ang ganda ng details. The details look so good. Alright. So this is our 2 unboxed figure. Cell first form and Majin Buu.
Majin Buu is shorter.
Yeah, he's shorter but he's very fat. You know? He's very wide. That's the term. This is a tall guy and this is a white guy. Okay? So now what we're going to do, we are going to put the stand so that he could stand up. Okay, let's unplastic the stand. Alright? Alright. So the stand, we put it, I think, where, Aaron? On the left feet? Left foot. It's kind of hard to put the stand because of his cape. And it's too big. Okay. I think this goes like this. Oh, sorry. There's a tape, Aaron. Please take it out. So we have a stand. Yun. The stand is... How do you put the stand, Aaron? This one. Yun. Yun on the left feet. So it looks like this, guys.
It's so
Wow, it's so big. Look at Majin Buu. All right, so cool. Yeah, tan 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 tan. All right, I love Majin Buu. Come on, guys. So later we will show you the 360 view of this particular figure, Majin Buu, and also this guy, Cell first form. And again, we would like to say, see ya, bye, bye. Thank you once again for watching our unboxing video here at Goku Saiyan Rose.
Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and hit the notification bell.
Until next time, we would like to say Kamehameha! Bye! Bye!